Hello and marahib, Syrian for hello. My name is Brian Stewart and I am the Administrative Support Manager for Student Services at FSCJ. I am crazy excited to be kicking off this Cooking with the Center for International Education series. I hope the dish we prepare today will be to your liking. Before working at FSCJ, I served in the U.S. Navy and had the good fortune of being stationed and traveling to many places around the world. Most of my journeys were concentrated in the Mediterranean and Middle East areas. When in port, we would take every opportunity to learn about the local cultures and sample the local cuisines. It was a great experience, and I learned so much about that part of the world. I absolutely love international foods. The dish we are preparing today is stuffed grape leaves, or wadah arish, which is Syrian for stuffed grape leaves. This particular recipe has been handed down many generations in my family on my brother-in-law's side, from his mother and her mother before her, and so on, with a little twist. It is steeped in rich Syrian culture. It can be a main dish or a side dish, served hot or cold, and served for lunch or dinner. Our family enjoys not only eating them, but also making them, because it's an opportunity for us to get together and share stories and get reacquainted. I hope you enjoy the experience as well. The items needed for today's meal are 1 quart jar of grape leaves, 1 pound of lean ground beef or lamb, 1 1/4 cups of white rice, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 1 14-ounce can of diced petite tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. You will also need a cutting board, a large stockpot or tungula with lid, and a pair of tongs. Now we're going to rinse the leaves. And you want to rinse them thoroughly. And you want to try and keep as many leaves as possible intact. Any broken or torn leaves can be used when we load the tungula. Then you're going to snip off the stems like this and discard that, and then lay the grape leaf on the side of a colander. While I'm cutting the stems off of the grape leaves, other family members are combining all the other ingredients by hand in a large mixing bowl. Also, remember to hold back 1/2 can of the tomato sauce for use later in the recipe. Be sure to mix thoroughly. To roll the grape leaves, make sure that the grape leaf is stem side up and place a small amount of the meat and rice mixture, about 1 tablespoon, at the base of the leaf. Roll tightly, turning the sides of the leaf in as you go. Line the bottom of the tungula with any torn or unused leaves. This helps to keep the rolled leaves from sticking to the bottom of the pot. So once you've placed all the grape leaves loosely in the tungula, then you pour the remaining tomato sauce over top and add just enough water to cover the grape leaves. Place a heavy plate on top of the grape leaves to keep them from rising to the surface, and place the lid on the tungula. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it's boiling, reduce the temperature to low and simmer 40 to 45 minutes. Once the grape leaves are done, using a pair of tongs, pull each grape leaf out and place on a plate to serve. Be careful, as these will be very hot. And there you are. Oh, delicious. Some suggested side dishes might be fresh cut pita and hummus. And you can also sprinkle a little olive oil and a little allspice on top of your grape leaves. Enjoy!